Okay then, in this video we will discuss string slicing in Python. So in the previous video I already showed you how to access a certain element or word from the string. So let's say you would like to access this hello word. So you can do that by doing so. So you just need to specify the start and finish indexes for this word. There would be from 0 to 5, right? So now if I run this, so it's going to print out this hello word, right? Since I am starting from the index 0, I can omit this one. So like so. So that means it's still gonna work. So if you leave out the first index, or the start index, so the range will start from the first character. So if I just run this, it's still gonna be hello. So if you change this one to 7, for instance, it's gonna be then hello and then hi, like this. Sorry. So looks like that's index 6, and then 7 is just space. So if you would like up until hi, then you need 9, like this. It's gonna be then hello and hi. Okay, so you can do the opposite of this. So by opposite I mean you can omit the end index. That means if you omit the end index, it's gonna start from the certain element, from the first, from the one which is specified in the start index, and it goes all the way up until the end of the string. So I'll show you what I mean. So I'll just comment this one, and then I'll say C, and this time around I'll just say, hey, start from, let's say from 7, and then all the way up until the end. So if I just run this, that's gonna be index 7. That's index 5. Then this comma will be 6. So 7 will be high. So everything starting from this high till the end will be in the print. As you can see, it's this one. Okay. So you can also specify start and end index using negative number. If you use negative number, counting will start from the end. So for instance, this one will be -1, then -2, -3, -4, right? So if you just want to print out this one, including quotation, including question mark, then you need to specify -4 up until the end. Okay, so we can do it like this. So print and then C. So it's gonna be -4 and then everything up until the end. So it should now print out this U. If you don't want this question mark, then you can say until -1. So that means it's gonna print out just U, like so. All right. So I think it's very easy. That's how it works. I mean, that's how you do string slicing in Python. So thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next video.